Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I want to show you two kid-friendly, very quick and simple, tasty treats you can make with your grandchildren, with your children in no time at all. The first one is hammer candy. Hammer candy needs a hammer. It doesn't have to be red, it can be any color. My sister Matilda posted this 2 years ago when she had COVID, and her grandchildren were able to stay in touch with her doing that this way. We actually tried it ourselves with Thatcher and Thane, and they loved it because of the hammering. They've been asking to do it again. The girls actually have been asking too. Hunter and Jovi both wanted to. So I'm going to try to do this year with all of my grandchildren, all 6. Eva's a baby, so we'll just do it with 6. So you are going to need to start out with candy canes. I'll post the recipe below. They can be this type of candy canes. I think we used unwrapped candy canes. That's just what I had, and with the ones that we did it with, they wanted no food coloring. But I know we have used this before. This is very special to me. Anytime I see a big candy cane like this, it reminds me of the Christmas that my mama came in on Christmas Eve and said she had seen my granddaddy stuff all 5 of my brothers and sisters. We had 5 of us. She had seen him put a great big candy cane like that in our stockings before we had gone to bed. She wanted us to be especially grateful the next morning for the candy canes. And we were, maybe over the top, but you can always do this little recipe with any of your leftover Christmas candy. If you happen to have peppermints left over, it just smells like Christmas. You're going to need a baggie per person. If you're using 1 candy cane, that's fine. You can even double it, and I think we added 2 this time, and that worked well too. A tip I will give you is that before you start, you'll need to share with your children or your grandchildren to hit on a cutting board or a wooden block. That's going to save your table from a ton of distress, and it's just going to go better. You're not going to have a bunch of hammer marks in your table. Jovi wanted me to get these this year. I've never bought these little bags for hammer candy, but it was I think the peanut brittle we had put in a little bag, and she loved the peanut brittle, but mostly she loved the little bags that Laurie had. So I went to Hobby Lobby and I sprang for these, of course, on sale this time of year. All right, the other thing I would say, the only other thing is I tried these Ghirardelli, I'm not sure how to say that, but we tried these melting chips as well as the milk chocolate ones. When I tried to reorder, I couldn't find the milk chocolate. I guess it's too close to Christmas. So I just am going to supplement with Ezra and Lily. They're going to use these, just the Hobby Lobby candy wafers. And I'm just following the directions on the back of the package. I'll list the recipe for this one below, and I hope you have a lot of fun making this. It's interesting to watch Thatcher, who has turned into a different little boy than the sweet little boy I had long ago. He was pretty rambunctious. His hammer candy was more like jackhammer candy, but it'll be entertaining to watch one day, so I'm glad we videoed it. It's always something you can do with your grandchildren if their parents have a Christmas party, but we invite you to watch along and follow along if you want to. Making what kind of candy?
Hammer
Smash candy!
Have y'all girls ever made it before?
No, not in.
What do y'all do first, Jovi?
Not in a million years now.
No.
You
You open up your candy canes first.
It's like a secret tunnel.
No, what are you really doing?
I'm smashing candy canes.
What are you making, Hunter and Jovi?
Hammer candy. You have to mash it up with a hammer and then.
Thane, have you done this before?
Yes.
One time, right? Do you remember it? Let's see what you do. Who's doing white chocolate?
Me.
Who else? So,
Like.
Patrick, can you read the directions, please? Don't throw the bag. We gotta have to go for the directions.
Broken.
That's great, thing. Perfect. You have 2 big chunks. There you go. Perfect. You're ready to go, buddy.
Peppermint candy cane. I'm shaking the house.
Yeah, that's perfect. How many seconds did you do that? Did you do 30 seconds for the first time on defrost?
Did it for 50 seconds.
We can cut them apart. You did a great job though. So y'all done the chocolate, the milk chocolate, and peppermint. Pepperminty. You get to lick the bowl. How do you feel about that? Is that good?
Yeah, it tastes like candy.
Did you make that all by yourself?
It tastes like, it's gonna taste like that.
Okay, here goes recipe number 2. We're gonna do Rolo candy melts. And I'm sure you've seen some of these going around on YouTube or TikTok. But what we did, we used, for our candies, we used these, they look like checkerboard pretzels. I don't know if you can see. And that seemed to work really well. We lined our cookie sheets with these. And a tip would be look and see how many Rolos you have before you get out 1,000,000 of the pretzels. Or how many Rolos you end up with after everybody eats them. And then you're going to unwrap your Rolos. So I liked to get the green, gold, and red ones. The girls loved this recipe because they enjoyed opening them all. But I'm linking the recipes for both of these below. You're going to need to preheat your oven to 250 first. And they just bake a minute, so don't go anywhere. Just watch them. all you need them to do is to get really warm. And then when they come out of the oven, the main thing people suggest to flatten the Rolo onto the pretzel with is a pecan, but we don't do pecans. Not very many children in my family are gonna eat nuts. So what we chose to do was we used another pretzel on top and made a Rolo sandwich, and that was really tasty. You can use M&Ms. I'm thinking Lily and Ezra might want to use these little Cadbury snowballs to flatten theirs. They can eat food dye, and I think that would be good too. But the boys gave up on unwrapping their Rolos, and they got tired of it, but they surely love the hammer candy. I hope one of these recipes suits your family, and I hope you keep up the tradition. They are simple, and they'll never forget it.
That's 10.
Okay, so you need one more row of 10 to make 20.
Ta-da! It's like
Wait,
a
do we have
Rolo
just 20?
wrapper candy.
Do we only have just 20 in our bag?
Yeah, you have 19 Rolos, the girls said. I thought you all had 20.
Mommy, it looks
But
like
you can eat the warm leftover pretzel, or you can put it on top.
Mommy,
Yes, babe.
it looks like an M&M.
I'll just
It
eat the
looks like
regular
a lot of M&Ms melted together candy.
That's right.
Ooh, I bet we could make that
Yeah, you
candy
could
someday.
invent it. A little bit short on yours, aren't you? What's your favorite candy, the peppermint or the Rolos? Well, we haven't even baked the Rolos yet.
And the whole world is Rolos.
I love it too.
They're delicious.
They are. On cooking show, Jody.
Well, I am good at cooking.
You like cooking?
Yeah, I do. I only need one more.
Wonder what happened to it.
I ate it.
I think so.